everyone, this is Vivek. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make infinite scroll carousel slider like this. So here I have app named Magic AI, and here in their pricing page you can see the image is infinitely scrolling, like there are about 5 images, and in each 1 second they are changing infinitely. Okay, so today we are going to achieve same. So here I have basic Flutter app about to run in my mobile device. So let's create a folder name screens, and inside this folder I will make a home page. So here we will make a stateful widget, as we are not going to implement any state management solution. So the core purpose of this tutorial is how we can use page view widget to achieve infinite scroll functionality. Okay, so let's create a stateful widget. And let's just return a scaffold. Let's provide an app bar, and let's give it a title is infinite scroll carousel slider, and I have collected the images in the folder, so I will import those images quickly, and I will provide the source code in the description, so be sure to check that out to download the images and view the source code of the current project. So let me just go to the current project and import the images. Okay, so my current project is in the downloads folder, so let me go to downloads, and here I have images. And if you are wondering like how I have exactly same images like in this app, then the Magic AI app belongs to our company. So if you like to try this app, I will provide the link in the description. So let's move this images folder inside our infinite slider demo folder. Okay, so here we have images folder inside our project. So let's add those images, or let's provide the reference of those images in the postfix.yml file. Okay, so let me just uncomment this line number 62 and 63, and let me get rid from this file name. So doing this, we'll add all the images inside the images folder. Like we don't need to manually add all the this name. Okay, so let's go to the home screen, and let's write the code to show the images like in this app. Okay, so in the body let's use column, and let's provide the property of main axis element center, and same for cross axis element, and inside the children will pass a container, and let's give this container a full width. Okay, we'll go with double dot max finite, In the child of this container, we are going to make use of page view widget. Okay, so in the child, let's use page view. Actually we are going to use page view dot builder. So what we will do is we will provide arbitrary large number of item count here in the builder, so that we can achieve the infinite scroll functionality. So user will never reach or never cross that number. So we'll provide that number little bit high, something like 5,000 6,000. So the user will not stay in your app in the same screen for more than 5,000 seconds. Okay, so let's go with the page view builder widget, and inside the item builder, let's provide context index, and we will simply show the image. Okay, so we will return image dot asset, and we have to provide asset name here. Okay, so we are going to show like list of images, so let's create that list above here. Okay, so list of string images is equals to, so I will write all the image path here. Okay, so that is images slash carousel 1 to 5. Okay, images slash carousel 1.png. So let me copy all these, and I will change this value. Okay, 2 3 4 5 and I will provide like images index. So let me save this, and let's change the home screen of our app to home page. Okay, so let me go to main.dart file and change the home screen to home page, that home screen that we have created. Okay, so let me reload the app again. So we have issue here. Okay, so let me see what it is. Okay, here I forget to provide the fixed height and width to this container. Okay, like we have fixed width but not a fixed height, so let's give something like 500, and let's wrap this container with a let's wrap this column with a container, so that this container will be located in the exact center. Okay, wrap with container, and let's provide this of width of double dot max finite, and let's restart the app again. Okay, so if we encounter any exception, we will fix it. So here we are having issue of unable to load asset images slash carousel 1.png. Okay, images slash carousel 1.png. so we have any typo? Images slash carousel 1.png. so I don't think we have any, so let's restart the app again. If it doesn't work, we have to stop the app and run it again. Okay, okay, so we have the same issue. Okay, Okay, let me check the prospect.yml file once. Okay, images slash, so it's fine here. So let's stop the app and run again. Okay, okay. We will continue coding while the app is built. Okay, now the app, we have set up page builder, but what we want is, we will not manually slide the slider. Instead, we want it to be automatically slided like in this app. Okay, so for that we have to make use of the timer. Okay, so we will execute that function each second. Okay, like we can give our desired value, like we will change the page each second, or each 10 millisecond, or each 2 seconds. Okay, it depends on your choice. So let's make a timer variable here, timer underscore timer. We can mark it as late so that we can initialize it later. And let's import the .async library. Okay, and for this page view widget, and we have to control it, like we have to change the page. So to control this page view, we have to make a page controller. Okay, so let's make a page controller here, page controller underscore page controller is equals to page controller, and we will assign initial screen as, or initial page as page number 0. Okay, as you can see here, the images are working. Page controller and initial page is 0. And let's not forget to assign this controller to our page view widget. Okay, so page view has the controller property, controller, and let's provide this page controller, and let's provide this image of it so that it will occupy the whole width. Okay, feet is box fit dot cover. So it is in square shape now. So let's increase the height by little bit. Okay, something like 600. Still some part of image is hidden, like 700 will do the work. Now okay, let's write a function to jump to another page each 1 second. Okay, so for this, here I will make a function named void auto slide, and what we'll do is, here we have our timer variable. So I will assign a value to this timer variable. Okay, timer is equals to, we are going to use timer dot periodic function, and the in the periodic function we have to provide two values, that is duration and callback. So I want the callback function to be executed each 1 second, so I'll provide duration of 1 second, and inside the callback function we will change the page. Okay, page of that page view. So I will write t to represent the timer. We are not going to make use of this t, and let me close this with semicolon, and here I'm going to jump to next page. Okay, or we can use the inmate2 function. Okay, underscore page controller dot animate to page, and or we can use jump to next page. Okay, page controller dot something like next page. Okay, and here we also have to provide the duration, and let's provide the same duration of 1 second. Now here we have to provide a corp. Okay, animation corp, that is corpse. Okay, something like corpse dot bouncing, but there are lots of options. Okay, you can do it. Corpse dot, okay, is in expo. I haven't tried this, so let's see how it works. Okay, and let's call this function as soon as our UI is built. Okay, so let me create a init state folder, and here I have to call this function. Okay, auto slide. So this auto init state is executed before the build function, so we can see the scroll effect from the very beginning of our app. Okay, so let me restart the app and we'll see what we have achieved till now, and we'll fix if we have any error. Okay, so it is changing in 1 second, but we have exception. Okay, okay, this is image not found exception. Okay, actually carousel 1, carousel 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we have started getting the error. So let's provide the value of item count in this page view.builder. Okay, and the value of this item count is going to be arbitrarily large. Okay, like we can calculate multiply the number of images by 1000. Okay, like images dot length, not as code. Okay, times 1000. So there will be total of, if you have 5 images, then there will be total of 5000 page view items. Okay, like it can hold up to 5000 seconds, and I'm sure no one will stay in the same page for 5000 more than 5000 seconds. Okay, so we'll get rid from this animation quickly. Okay, so as it is not looking good, and we have problem in carousel 4.png. I'm not sure why it is not loaded. Okay, for now we'll focus on what we are trying to achieve. So if one image is not loaded, we'll not stick with it. Okay, so if it is having problem, then we will make a duplicate of another, or we can simply comment this. Okay, and here we are having another issue, like not in exclusive range after the fourth item. Okay, so for this we can make use of the uh, remainder operator here. Okay, so I will write final or int image index is equals to index percentage images dot length. Okay, and instead of this index I will provide the image index. So let me restart the app again, and before that what I just did is I have created the image index variable, and this variable will change after the value 4. Okay, like it will not go for 5. So as we have total of 4 images here, and at the very beginning the value of index is 0 and value of image.length is 5, or how many, so 4. Okay, so 0 percentage 4 is 0, so first image will be shown. After that 1 percentage 4 is 1, and after that 2 percentage 4 is 2. Okay, similarly when it reach 4 percentage 4 it becomes 0, and 5 percentage 4 it becomes 1. Okay, so we will see the infinite loop, or we will experience the infinite scrolling effect. Okay, so let me restart this, and I believe it must work now. So as you can see here, it is infinitely scrolling, and let's work on some decoration and change the animation first. Okay, curves dot linear. Okay, it is taking some time, like you can choose the best animation. Okay, so I leave this to you. So let's provide some border radius to this container. Okay, as it looks a little bit ugly, although we have already achieved the infinite scrolling functionality. Let's try to make it little bit beautiful. So here I will provide the decoration, the box decoration. I will try to achieve something like this. Okay, like what I have did here, box decoration, and I will provide some padding from the bottom left and right corner, and that is not padding, actually border radius. So in the border radius property I will go with border radius dot only, and I'll provide the value for bottom left and bottom right. Okay, so for bottom left I will go with radius dot circular, and let's provide value of 20. Same for bottom right. Okay, we have implemented the border radius, but still we are not showing, so like we are not seeing. So to prevent this, or to see the border radius, we can use clip behavior property. Okay, and we can go with clip dot anti-alias. Now you can see the border radius. So let's make it value a little bit higher so that it will be noticeable. Okay, it is noticeable as of now, and let me get rid from this app bar also. And here still we have space, so it is because of this main accessible inventory center. Let me comment this, and it is finally at the top. Okay, just like in this app. uh, the difference is we have different animation, and the height in our current app is a little bit big. So guys, I hope you have achieved the infinite uh, scrolling functionality in your carousel. So if you have made this far in this video, then I believe this video have helped you. So if this video have helped you, please subscribe our channel, and if you have any problems while following the steps on here, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching.